meeting. Ijaws have sacrificed a lot. It is too much, and it is enough. We have lost great men, as our late Governor General DSP Alamesia. This remains one of the great losses of Ijaw Nation. Threats and verbal assault on Ijaw Nation. I want to ask lawyers in Ijaw Nation to tell us whether we do not have the right to go to court based on the assault that is being rained down on us by the former governor of Rivers State. When he was still the governor of Rivers State, our son, Farah Dagogo, bought a ticket to run for governor of our state, and he was declared wanted and eventually arrested. I tried to find a solution to speak with the governor, but he ignored me and never responded to me.